Let's take a look at these rechargeable batteries that I got on Amazon. They come with this smart charger. So basically here you see the LEDs, they are green right now. And when I insert the battery here, they change color. All right, you see here, this one right now, it's red. So it's basically charging. But you can just insert the other ones here, no matter if this one already have some charge, okay? So they can charge one by one. I got 8 of them. Let me just approach here so you see more details. There we go. And here you see the specs. This is a 1.2 volt AA 2800 milliamp hour. It's a professional battery, so you can just charge and use for devices. I use here, for example, for my toys and also for my flashlights, and it works pretty fine. Okay, so let me just insert here. See that I can insert the second one, and the LED changes here as well. Let's insert one more here, and this one. Okay, it works pretty fine. Comes here with the charger instruction manual, and also with this activation steps, so you can activate the warranty, right? So it's super good that you can have warranty with this one. And also, what I think it's important to know is that the new version comes with the USB-C. See here? So you can even use different cables. I'm using here right now a different USB-C cable. That's not the one that came with the device. It comes here with the USB-A to USB-C. You can just use a power adapter like this one that I have here. Just be careful to get one that's good enough to charge your batteries here, and you also get an information here when the power brick is not good enough, right? It works pretty fine. Let me just show you here one more test. I have this device that I can just insert power here, and then I can insert the other end here on the charger to the USB-C port. So you see here that's being charged, and it uses here around 5 volts to charge the batteries, right? So hope that helps. You can get yours on Amazon. And if you like this video, please subscribe, give your a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.